focus next on a 71 Hemi Road Runner.
This is perhaps one of the top 5 most anticipated muscle cars at this auction. This is this incredible, unrestored, highly original, ultra rare, only 28 Hemi Road Runners built with a 4-speed in 71. It's black. This thing was built to go super fast in a straight line, and that's about it.
Yeah. I think there's a sign in it that says the last muscle car of the muscle car era, I think.
Okay.
Well, I think people with 73 or 74 Super Duties might argue with that. But
Yep, John Cramen would be one of them.
Well, that's a pony car, so.
Oh, come on.
Well, I'm just saying.
You want to talk
First of and last of always can be interpreted in different ways.
Yeah, you are the ultimate diplomat, I will say.
You want
Guys,
to talk
look
about
at this.
originality on this car. The original tires on this car.
Yep. You previewed this one the other day, and you mentioned that, Jake. $440,000.
I think anything under $500,000 be considered a good buy. This car is that important.
Yeah.
Couldn't agree more. As far
Spare
as
tire.
Survivor goes,
Yeah.
this is among the top.
Spare tire's never been out.
Yeah.
Just get 500.
Do it. I got bank to bank on this one.
There it is, $500,000.
You want to get 525? You want to get that?
And that's where it will end up. What a car. $500,000 Hemi Road Runner, JK.
You know, as expected, the historical significance and the condition of this car in the muscle car world is unparalleled. Muscle car royalty right there, bringing the money.
50. At 50,000, anybody get 30, 40. I'm 30, anybody get 40.